After spending a long day sitting at the office, or standing in high heels, you may feel that your legs are heavy and tired. This unpleasant sensation can cause lots of discomfort, but there are actually many things you can do at home to soothe it fast. Today's video will discuss some tips that will help your feet feel as light as a feather. Try cabbage leaf wraps. In addition to improving your digestion and keeping your heart happy, cabbage can relieve the unpleasant sensation of swollen feet. Chill some cabbage leaves in the fridge and wrap them around the swollen area. Repeat this until you feel better. Because cabbage draws out excess fluid, it serves as a natural and easily affordable way to reduce swelling. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.